Today is my dad's birthday, so let's make him a card. So, right here, I'm repairing my little bunny that I had for over 2 decades, guys. This bunny is very significant to me because I gave it to him right before he passed away, and he cherished this bunny with all his heart. My father wasn't really in my life like that, but not because of what you think. He wasn't necessarily a bad dad, but he was always sick all the time. The man was born in 1932. So that's enough to explain. So basically, when I came out the womb, he was already old and heading out anyway. Not trying to be funny, but just keeping it real. So I've always remembered him, thought about him, and will always love him. And even before he passed away, when I was little in elementary school and middle school, we would talk on the phone and he would tell me how much he loved the bunny that I gave him with a combination of die cuts, scrapbooking paper, foam paper, different kinds of markers, and other scrapbooking elements. This is how my card came out so far, and I really did enjoy doing this card. Honestly, I don't even know how I came up with the idea. It just came out at the last minute, and I had to hurry up and get this together so that I can put content out for you guys because I wanted you guys to see my card. I'm trying to do more videos of me making crafts. So here's the end result. I hope you guys like it. I think it came out so cute and it looks just like the bunny that I gave my father. I love you, Dad. Happy birthday and continue to rest in peace.